And again, they're everywhere. This is the fun of light tackle fishing, hearing those reels scream when you hook up, getting right amongst the action. It's in a circle now. They go into what I call the circle of death. Look at the size of that on light tackle. It's about a 7 or 8 kilo tuna. Beautiful. This new species is known as a mackerel tuna, and like all tuna, they fight incredibly hard, especially on light tackle. And there he is. Let's deal with the rod. How is that for some light tackle fishing? Fraser Island, Australia, light tackle. What a day out.